Azapp's dynamic design lets you build a complete and engaging presentation of your company or your activity. To add sections below your cover, open the Design tab, tap Edit Card Design, then select Add Content below the cover. Next, choose the type of content you want to add: media, text, or links. To create a media section, simply select a layout, then add one or multiple photos and videos from your device, or choose from our free media library. You can change the layout at any time, adjust the colors, update your media, and save. Your section is instantly ready. Add as many sections as you like. Each one is fully responsive, ensuring your presentation looks elegant and professional on any screen, from mobile to desktop. Dynamic design is included for free and is limited only by your creativity. Azzapp. Keep in touch.